Hey there, curious minds! The human body is an amazing machine, but it also holds some pretty bizarre secrets. Buckle up, because today we're counting down the top 20 weirdest facts about your body that you probably never knew. 20. Your stomach has a second brain. Did you know your stomach has a mind of its own? Well, not exactly a mind, but a whole network of neurons called the enteric nervous system, sometimes referred to as your second brain. It can't solve math problems, but it can control digestion independently of your actual brain. Pretty wild, right? 19. The acid in your stomach can dissolve metal. Speaking of your stomach, the hydrochloric acid in there is so powerful it can dissolve metal. Luckily, your stomach lining regenerates itself every few days, or you'd be in big trouble. 18. You shed pounds of skin every year. Gross, but true! Your body sheds about 9 pounds of dead skin cells every year. Most of the dust in your house? Yep, that's you, slowly disintegrating. 17. Your bones are stronger than steel. Believe it or not, ounce for ounce, human bones are stronger than steel. Your femur can support up to 30 times your body weight. So, while you may not be a superhero, your skeleton is still pretty impressive. 16. You produce enough saliva to fill 2 swimming pools. Over a lifetime, the average person produces enough saliva to fill 2 swimming pools. That's a lot of spit! Thankfully, it plays a crucial role in digestion and keeping your mouth healthy. 15. You're taller in the morning. Ever noticed you're slightly taller in the morning? That's because the discs in your spine decompress while you sleep, making you up to half an inch taller. By the end of the day, gravity compresses them back down. 14. You glow in the dark. You might not be able to see it, but humans actually emit a small amount of light. Our bodies naturally produce a faint glow, especially from our faces, but it's about 1,000 times weaker than what our eyes can detect. 13. Your taste buds are everywhere. Taste buds aren't just on your tongue, they're also on the roof of your mouth, your cheeks, and even in your throat. So your whole mouth is basically a flavor detecting machine. 12. Your liver can regenerate itself. The liver is the only organ in your body that can regenerate itself. Even if up to 75% of it is removed, it can grow back to its full size. Talk about a comeback! 11. Your heart could power a truck. Your heart works hard, really hard. In a day, it generates enough energy to drive a truck for 20 miles. Over a lifetime, that's enough to drive to the moon and back. 10. You have tiny mites living on your face. Brace yourself. Tiny mites live in the pores of your face. They're called Demodex mites, and while the thought might be unsettling, they're usually harmless. In fact, most people don't even know they're there. 9. Your eyes can detect 10 million colors. The human eye is an incredible tool. It can distinguish about 10 million different colors, although most of us don't consciously notice them all. Now that's a colorful world. 8. Your belly button is a jungle. Your belly button is like a mini jungle, home to nearly 70 different types of bacteria. But don't worry, most of these microbes are harmless and even help keep you healthy. 7. Your brain feels no pain. Ever wondered why brain surgery can be done while you're awake? It's because your brain itself doesn't have pain receptors. That headache? It's the surrounding nerves, not your brain, doing the hurting. 6. Your nose can remember 50,000 scents. Your nose is a scent superhero. It can remember up to 50,000 different scents. That's why just a whiff of something familiar can instantly bring back a flood of memories. 5. Humans have a unique tongue print. Move over fingerprints. Your tongue has its own unique print too. No 2 tongues are alike, making it another potential tool for identification, though it's not exactly practical. 4. Your stomach grows a new lining. Every few days. To protect itself from being digested by its own acid, your stomach regenerates its lining every few days. Without this, your stomach would start eating itself alive. 3. You're bioluminescent. Surprise! Humans are actually bioluminescent. We naturally emit a tiny amount of light, but it's so faint we can't see it with the naked eye. 2. Your body has trillions of microbes. Your body is home to trillions of microbes, outnumbering your human cells by about 10 to 1. But don't worry, most of them are helpful, aiding in digestion, immunity, and even your mood. Your gut is a huge nervous system. And finally, the number 1 bizarre fact. Your gut contains over 100 million neurons, more than the spinal cord, making it one of the largest and most complex nervous systems in the body. It's why you get those gut feelings. Your stomach might know more than you think. And there you have it. 20 bizarre facts about the human body that prove we're all walking, talking mysteries. If you enjoyed this dive into the strange and fascinating, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-bending content.